Hello viewer, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I will create logo design and I will show you how to make easy ways to make professional logo designs. Then end of the videos, write in the comment your valuable information find at this tutorial. If you are new visitor in our channel, subscribe our channel to more get new video. Logo name, a vagrant. Logo tagline, Farms Incorporated. Quantity Craft Farm Production. Eva Grande is a farmer company. The goal was to build a simple elegant logo. The identification Glean Organic. Keywords: glow, shining, soft, natural, organic. Okay, let's get started. Part B. First, I will write the logo name. Select logo name and drag it. Now I am pressing Ctrl D for copy. Okay, now I will select font. Press Shift and Alt. Make it create outline. Now, I will make a logo using this font, so let's make customize it. Go to Pen Tools and create a shape. Click on Shape Builder Tools, and delete for it. OK, now select Pen Tool, and draw a line shape. Switch off fill color and increase stock. Select other color and combination it. OK, now go Pen Tools and select Add Anchor Point. Click on Selection Tools, and press up arrow button on keyboard. Go to Object and expand it. Click on R&D. Let go to Object for Path option. Click on Offset Path. OK. Now select white color, then select it. Click on Shape Builder Tools, and press Alt button for delete. Click on Magic Tools, and select here. Press a backspace button on keyboard. Now ungroup this shape. Delete it, press backspace button. Click on Eyedropper Tools for select color. Go to Symbol option, and click the leaf icon. If you want make leaf icon, see my previous video. Go to Object and expand it. Now place leaf icon in letter R. Click Y on the keyboard for C outline. Click Selection Tools. Click on Y button on keyboard. Go to Object and select Offset Path. Click on White Color, select it. Click Shape Builder Tools. For delete shape, press Alt button. Click on Pen Tools and draw a shape. Fill this shape. Now click on black color. OK, now click on Unite option. Now I will add logo tagline. Select font. OK, click Controller for roller. Now create outline. OK, click on Ellipse Tools, and draw a circle. Go to Effect. And click Distort and Transform, click on Zigzag. Click on a smooth point, and size will be 15. Click on Alignment Tools. Now go to Edit option. Now, select Shape Build Tools, and delete them. OK, now to object and offset path. Click on Shape Builder Tools and delete it. Now click on Eyedropper Tools and select Color. This is our final logo design. Now we will show logo design presentation. Thanks for watching this video, so wait for another next tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe our channel. See you next tutorial.